Don't embarrass me in front of my friends.
I just want today to be beautiful. For us. I woke up early. I wanted to make you breakfast.
I'm late. Don't wait for me tonight.
Hope you ate something. These debts, they're under my name. Why didn't you tell me?
Because you're my wife. You're supposed to handle it. This is everything I have.
Just sign it. Do you want my business to fail? Your husband doesn't help with bills?
He's starting a business. I just want to support him.
She still cooks for you? That's adorable.
I'm tired of this life. I want something better.
Better than your wife?
Yes. Pack your things. Don't come back.
Maybe now the neighborhood will look better. Please, no! You saved me.
Come here, child. You look cold.
Is that for me? Please. Anything helps. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, please, stay with us.
Take care of Peanut.
I have to try. I can't stop here. Yep. I can clean dishes. Please let me try.
This job needs fast movement. I'm afraid it will be too much for you.
I can work nights. I really need this.
It's heavy-duty work. I don't want you to get hurt. You can start today.
Thank you, truly.
Yep.
Today, let's go longer. Yep.
Left, right, back, forward. Sharp steps.
Let's go.
Faster feet. Move like you're lighter.
Trying. I'm changing.
Guard up.
Again.
Again.
One more round. Yep. All right. Not giving up. One, slow and steady. Yep. I know, I'm trying. Let's see if I can do more than yesterday. Yep. Hey, don't distract me.
Move. Don't stand still. Yes. That's the red corner. You hit harder than you look, red girl.
You didn't win, but you didn't run. That matters.